Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Hello students, today we are going to learn Bal Bharti lesson number 5. Our lesson name is The 12 Months. Students, this is very interesting story. The story is of a small girl. Her name is Marukla. Now let's learn the story. Before starting this lesson, I would like to share some information about this lesson with you. So let's see this picture. Here is one little girl. This is the story of this girl. And it is all are the 12 persons who are sitting around nearby the fire. They have been called 12 months. But why is lesson name like this? It is given because in this lesson you are going to study little girl's story. How did she's stepmother and stepsister treat her, and how did 12 months help her? Now let's see. And see a stick here. This stick is in the hands of a man. Do you know what is the first month is? So the first month is January, and he has a magic stick in his hand. Using this magic stick, they have helped this little girl. Students, now let's see the story. Now look at this picture. This is a Marukla. Marukla is standing alone, and her stepmother and her stepsister both are standing another side. Marukla's stepmother loved her own daughter Helena, but she hates her stepdaughter Marukla because Marukla was prettier than her own daughter Helena. Marukla is very gentle-hearted girl. She has to do all the household works, like that tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving and sewing. She did it without any complaint. Her stepmother and stepsister Helena did not like Marukla. Hence, they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold. Her stepsister Helena said Marukla to bring the violets from the forest. That time Marukla said, "Dear sister, it is not easy to get violets in the snow." That time her stepsister Helena said threateningly, "If you don't bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you." And her stepmother caught hold to Marukla, turned her out of the door and slammed it to after her. Marukla went into the forest. No one see in the forest, only snow is everywhere. At last, she saw a light in the distance. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 men sitting on them. The 12 men were 12 months. She went up to them and said, "Let me warm my hands at your fire." Marukla asked them to warm her hands with fire. The great January asked her, "What are you looking for? What do you want?" That time Marukla said, "I am looking for violets. I want violets." The great January said, "This season is not of violets, everything covered with snow." But the Marukla said, "If I did not get violets, my mother and my sister kill me." So January gave highest place to March. Snow started melt, trees began to bud. It was springtime. Marukla picked the bunch of flowers and thanked to all and returned at home. Her mother and her sister asked them where she get flowers. Marukla replied, "They grow under the bushes in the forest on high mountains." The next day, her sister asked her to bring some strawberries from the forest. They pushed her out of the door. She went into the forest. She saw 12 months. They again asked her, "What you want?" Marukla said, "She looking for strawberries. If I did not get strawberries, my mother and sister will kill me." That time, June took the highest place and all trees covered with leaves. It was summer, starry blossoms were turning into strawberries. June commanded her to pick them at once. Marukla picked strawberries. She thanked the months. She merrily returned home. Helena asked her, "Where did you pick strawberries?" She replied, "Plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains." Helena ate them all. Helena didn't leave single one for Marukla. On the third day, Helena ordered her to bring some red apples from the forest. They pushed her out of door and shut the door. Marukla went into forest. She saw the 12 months and asked them for the help. She said, "I am looking for the red apples." Then September took the high seat. It was autumn. Marukla one apple tree with red apple. September ordered to shake the tree once. Marukla obeyed her. She picked up apples, went to home. Her mother and sister saw there are only 2 apples. They asked, "Where you found them?" She said, "In the forest at high mountain." Helena angrily asked, "Why you did not bring more? Or you eat them on the way home?" The apples taste very delicious. Mother and Helena decide to go into the forest to bring apples. They wrapped themselves in fur coats and shawls and went into forest. They saw the 12 months. They warm up their hands without permission. January asked them, "What are you looking for?" They both speaking with them harshly. At this time, great January frowned and swung the club. Club means magic stick. And the sky grew dark. Snow began to fall thick. An icy wind began to blow through the forest. Helena and her mother couldn't see one step in front of them. Helena and her mother lost in snow. At home, Marukla waited and waited, and yet Helena and her mother did not come back. When she went to search for them, but she didn't find her mother and her sister or 12 months in forest. Then she married to a kind husband They both lived happily ever after. So students, I hope you understand today's our lesson. Okay students, do practice at home. Stay happy, stay safe, stay home. Take care all. Thank you.